Welcome to our video on the symptoms of a bad auto oil pump. The oil pump plays a crucial role in maintaining proper lubrication within the engine. When it starts to malfunction, it can lead to significant issues and potential engine damage. Let's explore the signs that indicate a faulty oil pump. Insufficient oil pressure. One of the first signs of a bad oil pump is a drop in oil pressure. If you notice low oil pressure warning lights or a sudden drop in the oil pressure gauge while driving, it could indicate a failing oil pump. Inadequate oil pressure can result in poor lubrication, leading to engine parts rubbing against each other, causing friction and potential damage. Engine overheating. A malfunctioning oil pump can also contribute to engine overheating. The oil pump's primary role is to circulate oil and dissipate heat from crucial engine components. If the pump is not functioning correctly, it can disrupt the cooling process, resulting in increased engine temperatures. Keep an eye on your engine temperature gauge and be cautious of any signs of overheating. Noisy engine operation. A faulty oil pump may lead to increased engine noise. When the oil pump fails to provide sufficient lubrication, engine components may rub against each other, causing excessive friction and noise. Listen for unusual knocking, ticking, or rattling sounds coming from the engine. These noises can be an indication of an oil pump problem. Smoke or burning smell. A failing oil pump can result in inadequate lubrication, causing excessive heat buildup. This can lead to oil leaking onto hot engine parts, resulting in smoke or a burning smell. If you notice smoke coming from the engine bay or a distinct burning odor, it's crucial to address the issue promptly to prevent further damage. Oil pressure warning light. Modern vehicles are equipped with an oil pressure warning light on the dashboard. If the oil pump is not functioning correctly, the oil pressure may drop, triggering this warning light. Pay attention to this indicator as it can be an early warning sign of a failing oil pump. In conclusion, a bad auto oil pump can have serious consequences for your engine. Look out for signs such as insufficient oil pressure, engine overheating, noisy engine operation, smoke, burning smell, and oil pressure warning lights. If you experience any of these symptoms, it's crucial to consult a qualified mechanic to diagnose and resolve the issue promptly. Thank you for watching, and stay tuned for more automotive tips and advice.